guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna go into General Grievous' lair. Let's go! Yeah. So last time we fought droids on a bridge, and before that we did an arena battle. Watch those two videos. So continue on Disney Infinity Star Wars. Okay? I'm Liam. Should all know that, because my channel's called Liam. So let's do this. Loading. Does anybody like loading on this? Oh, what's up? I'll go for this door. Ah! How did you get there? Well, it's no biggie for you. Bye. Well, that's General Grievous. No! Well, that was a close one. Yeah! I beat better things than you. Oh, am I doing that thing like Qui-Gon Jinn in the Phantom Menace? Yeah, I did. I'm in the factory now. Whoa, let's go! Oh, I want that. I did it! Give it! Don't need those two. I forgot one. No. But let's keep moving. I'm like Padme in Attack of the Clones. Almost fell. But I got healed. Tap. Almost got. Why are they just parts? What is a factory? You gave me blue. What? Let's keep moving. Okay. Why is that? I can't. Oh, I just did. Oh, you again? Oh, I don't need you. You're easy to beat. And now I have no room. Let me just take your shield. I beat like 3 of you. Well, not at once. Beat 2 of you at once. You try to beat me. Really? 2 free B1 battle droids? Come on, do better. Yeah, you're scaredy cats, huh? Cut in half. Yeah. Oh, why do they have butcher knives? Oh, that almost got me. Hi. Bye. Hi, bye. Hi. Bye. Yeah. Okay. A big shot on all sides. Die. Wait. Good thing I didn't jump on that. I'll be vaporized. Like some chicken. Oh, 2? I already beat 2. Ow! You don't do that to me. You don't do that. I'll beat you, and I'll beat you. And I'll beat you. Beat you. Oh, you're so amazing. I'm trying to make them feel each other, but they can't. Droids have feelings. Who's shooting me? You! I'm gonna kill you next. You can't get off the conveyor belt. Well, I'll help you with that. Bye. What's this? So, uh, uh, I thought it was gonna make the belt move, but it didn't. Oh, it did. Oh, okay. My Get off my ship. This is not a ship. Or something. Ship. Alright. There's another one of those mine oxes. No, I don't wanna die. Yeah! I got 4. Oh no, I'm not going in that. Really? Come over here. Oh, just... Bye. Where does that lead to nowhere? The known universe. Huh. What are they supposed to do? This is gonna be easy. Yeah. Oh, what? Okay, that's a challenge. Ow. Get up. Ow. Oh, beat you. Just die. Yes. Don't know where his health bar was. Yeah. Oh no, not one of you again. I'll do a few last. So maybe I'll do a few now. Yeah! I already beat 2 of you without going to bridge. What? You think I'm just not gonna beat you? Get out of my way. Woo! Whoa! Oh my gosh, that was close one. Whoa! 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 Oh my gosh! Oh my! Oh, oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Whoa! No! 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 I died. Why do you start me right back? How do I get past that? Wow. I died again. No, I'm not dying. I'm not. How? No! We need someone else. Well, we're gonna end the video here because I just can't figure out this. So, yeah. Goodbye. Like, comment, subscribe, and bye.